Learn English tenses with daily used verbs. I woke. I wake. I will wake. He woke. He wakes. He will wake. She woke. She wakes. She will wake. We woke. We wake. We will wake. You woke. You wake. You will wake. They woke. They wake. They will wake. I showered. I shower. I will shower. He showered. He showers. He will shower. She showered. She showers. She will shower. We showered. We shower. We will shower. You showered. You shower. You will shower. They showered. They shower. They will shower. I dressed. I dress. I will dress. He dressed. He dresses. He will dress. She dressed. She dresses. She will dress. We dressed. We dress. We will dress. You dressed. You dress. You will dress. They dressed. They dress. They will dress. I cooked. I cook. I will cook. He cooked. He cooks. He will cook. She cooked. She cooks. She will cook. We cooked. We cook. We will cook. You cooked. You cook. You will cook. They cooked. They cook. They will cook. I cleaned. I clean. I will clean. He cleaned. He cleans. He will clean. She cleaned. She cleans. She will clean. We cleaned. We clean. We will clean. You cleaned. You clean. You will clean. They cleaned. They clean. They will clean. I talked. I talk. I will talk. He talked. He talks. He will talk. She talked. She talks. She will talk. We talked. We talk. We will talk. You talked. You talk. You will talk. They talked. They talk. They will talk. I listened. I listen. I will listen. He listened. He listens. He will listen. She listened. She listens. She will listen. We listened. We listen. We will listen. You listened. You listen. You will listen. They listened. They listen. They will listen. I went. I go. I will go. He went. He goes. He will go. She went. She goes. She will go. We went. We go. We will go. You went. You go. You will go. They went. They go. They will go. I came. I come. I will come. He came. He comes. He will come. She came. She comes. She will come. We came. We come. We will come. You came. You come. You will come. They came. They come. They will come. I played. I play. I will play. He played. He plays. He will play. She played. She plays. She will play. We played. We play. We will play. You played. You play. You will play. They played. They play. They will play.